South Wales day today. Yeah, boy.
Risker baby.
Risker baby.
What? Oh, it's quite a thin coat.
All e-biking. E-biking.
I'm going to be absolutely covered in sealant after today, aren't I?
It looks like it's
Yeah.
got a disease.
It's very foggy up here, isn't it? Just trying to warm up. How long will the batteries last? Oh, yo. Look at the size of those roots. See you at the top. That fog. Do you reckon there's going to be a car coming the other way in a minute? To the valleys. We're mountain biking now. Oh, hidden roof. Nice bit of flow, isn't it?
Hold on!
He had a huge.
He did.
He lost his peak.
I take that, my bar on that. But lucky I landed here because I saw that and I was like, oh, this is going to be a biggie.
Dear, oh dear. It's only first run.
As long as you're alright.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that was sick. Run one out the way, we've had a crash. Dear.
Huge. We've had a hugie already.
Huge. No shoes were off though.
Yeah,
Oh, the blood. Oh, the blood. And now we're at the canal.
It's the first one I've ridden, apart from, no, I've ridden
Classic South Wales Scenic. Just crossed the railway and now we're in a housing estate. We got lots of fog video. It's not very good, is it?
That's the worst. I won't be watching you.
Top of the second hill. Used another 20%. There they are, the pearly gates that you mentioned. Wow, that's a big hole. The roots are quite a lot, aren't they? Oh, we went right. Yeah, that's sick. You have to concentrate so hard. You like left, right, ping, left, right, again, more route. Yeah, that was tough on the old mind there, wasn't it?
Bloody full on
concentration.
That was.
So many pedal catches.
Yeah.
It's going to happen again.
I was absolutely locked in, man.
That was cool.
My whole video is just going to be chasing you down the hill. Yo. Oh, fresh stuff. Yo, that was good. Lovely bit of bench cut, isn't it? I can't imagine why there gets braking bumps in there. Oh! That was gnarly. Incredible riding.
That was really good, wasn't it?
Phenomenal riding from
That was so good.
I can't tease.
Slow up.
big splodge of mud just went into my nostril. Very strange. Right, there's little bits of North Shore over there, it's all cool. Oh, this could be slippy. No, it's alright. On a bloody boardwalk made of logs. Oh, little cappuccino. It's really hard to do through a phone. Oh, look, the beans.
Very large.
No, don't want the frothy milk in me. We're going into a castle now, look. Furthest from the car, got a 41% battery. Those maths don't add up.
Hold on, that's a picture of that is your where you are.
We're calling this track Heebie Jeebies. I'm gonna follow Toby and then you. Your back wheel's going everywhere. Oh my god! Duck! Yeah.
Yeah.
Toby, you're like, oh.
Were you scared?
We just had the heebie-jeebies all the way done.
That's such an old person thing to say. Cool, I'll go with heebie-jeebies.
Okie dokie, let's heebie-jeebies.
Dokie, let's go.
Wouldn't want to fall off that bank to the left, would you? Let's hope that's not foreshadowing. Why are they pushing there on e-bikes? I don't know. There's a lovely little camp. Whoa, there's a really weird cloud formation just there.
Wow.
Fog cross. Fog fan.
Fog fan.
They'll turn that on in a minute, blow the fan out, blow the fog out.
Why have they not blown the fog away with the fog fan?
Electricity's too expensive today.
To run that.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we went down the wrong one.
Come out on the e-bikes and just pushing up tracks now, look. It's a lovely little mushroom there, look. Nice, fun guy.
You should never split up. What goes wrong in the
Yeah. Having a little turbo help here. If you got a turbo bike, help a friend. Oh.
You know, they've got that same batteries.
Nice. Running low on battery now. Running low on man battery. We're just in fog all the time.
It's like David said he's been enjoying the scenic ride.
There hasn't been any scenes. You gotta try and ride for this sat down.
It's like someone's shining a torch.
This forest giving everybody the heebie-jeebies again. A little descent and then lunch. I really need lunch. You need lunch.
You taking my tree? That's my tree.
Show me a picture. Oh, it's nice.
That is nice.
It's nice. It looks exactly like that right there. Look. Yeah, you get into that third lens. Ooh.
Trees look like that, but upside down in the ground. That's its roots.
Whoa. Stronger than you think.
Yeah, that ain't going. What? It ain't going. You come up.
Rugby tackle.
It's covered in spikes.
Oh, it's a race and you're not winning. Down again.
I literally like very slowly just stepped down a route. Just fell over and it was so soft and cushy.
Goes over there, comes back. I'll follow. Nice. At least that mech's cheap. How is that mech still on? Is that your teeth chattering?
Yeah.
Very low percentage. I don't know if we're going to make it.
10%.
I got 11. It's not going to do much, is it? Size on red. I'm still on orange.
You're about to go red.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes. He's red. 9%. One more track. And a hell of a lot of climbing. I'm going to be pushing in a minute. I felt the battery give up. And it's just really steep, so I'm just going to push for a bit. Ah, more fog. Been in fog all day. I'll just be here for a minute. I'll catch you at the top. You just sit there, look at that computer or TV screen, and wait. I'll get to the top. I'll get that content for you. Don't you worry. The e-bikes are dropping like flies. Only some people have got full batteries left. Mine's fully stopped working. We're very close to the top. Last push. See you up there. Oh my god. What a banger trail. Glad I'm not leading because I can just follow blindly. Yeah, he does all the thinking for us. I get his information and your information. I'm just copying and pasting, dude. Yo.
Sick, innit?
Yeah.
That's so well built.
So good, man. Top notch.
The absolute knackered. The bike's dead. I'm dead. Time for punch.
It's been 4 hours. We're still pedaling. How would you rate Ollie Hall's tours?
8 out of 10. He could have made it slightly warmer and sunnier.
Oh yeah.
Less fog.
Could have bought the weather.
Yeah.
Ah, he's coming away.
We made it to the trucks. Most of us haven't got any power. There's 3 bikes left with power, 3 bikes ran out. What a day. Let's go to the pub.